For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
If you've ever struggled with tabletop grills, you'll understand why I was excited to try the Bola Grill Master. Most grills either overheat or give you little control, but this one feels completely different in real use. The adjustable and rotatable cooking grates are a game changer. You can raise or lower the cooking surface with just a tilt, giving you precise control over how close food is to the heat. I tried grilling steak and shrimp at the same time, keeping the steak closer for a sear while raising the shrimp slightly higher to cook evenly without burning. That level of control made the meal feel professional right at my own table. Another standout is the ceramic insulated interior, which withstands up to 1250 degrees Fahrenheit. All the heat goes upward, not down to the table. I actually tested it on a wooden patio table and it stayed perfectly safe. No scorch marks at all. Knowing this grill follows the same heat control principles used in professional ceramic cookers gave me confidence in its design and safety. The versatility is impressive too. I've cooked burgers, kebabs, and veggies right on the table, and everyone could participate. With the attachment options, you can adapt it to different cooking styles, making it more than just a simple grill. Quality-wise, Bola uses 3 different metals and BPA-free food-grade silicone, which balances weight, durability, and safety. Knowing it meets food-grade standards added trust for me while cooking. Cleanup is simple with the removable charcoal grate. After a grilling session, I lifted it out, dumped the ash, and it was ready for next time. No scraping or mess. Finally, the portable design is perfect for taking the grill anywhere. I even packed it for a weekend beach trip, and it fit comfortably on a picnic table for 4 people. The convenience of having tabletop grilling without worrying about heat damage makes it my go-to for casual outdoor meals. The Bola Grill Master in Sea Salt White isn't just another tabletop charcoal grill. It's safe, versatile, portable, and built for real control. From my experience, it's the first grill of this kind that actually delivers on performance and safety, letting you enjoy grilling right at your table.